we were in there. I can't figure it out.
Welcome to episode
19,
where we are going to talk about
Legos.
Woohoo!
So I'm the teacher librarian here at our school. Last year I wanted to work on student engagement while they were at their centers after they're done checking out. I thought, what a cooler way to do that than get Lego walls in the library.
We want to talk about why Legos are so great for kids, because they love them. Kids love Legos because they can design whatever they want. They create things to tell stories. They can create things together.
They're not just playing.
It's like sneaky. They're actually doing things that are good for them.
Yes.
It's like sneaking vegetables into your spaghetti sauce or something. Like they don't even know that it's good for them.
They gain all kinds of skills like communication,
Creative play,
problem solving,
collaboration, and they're negotiating because I'm like, hey, I built this little house. Do you want to be my neighbor? And then you're like, yes. And we have to like negotiate the board together. It's active and they're moving and they're not just sitting there listening. They're like getting to like get their hands dirty and create something, and they'll remember that.
I think that having them play on a vertical surface rather than just on the table just adds other challenges. Lots of kids will just make cars when they play with Legos, and you can't just stick a car on the Lego wall, but if they create those platforms, then you could just put your car.
Problem solving.
So, it's only been a week, but I think kids, they're starting to figure it out.
So here's how to make the Lego wall.
Whoop whoop! All right, what you'll need to get started is your boards. I used pegboards without the holes, and it's called hardboard. You need base plates and Legos. The first step you might have to do is trim your base plates to fit your surface or your board. You'll see that next.
Now we are trimming the base plate. Don't mess up.
Okay, so after a few slices, it's time to break it off. And normally if you break off like half of it, it's a lot easier, I think, but we're about to break off this one little row.
Okay, so what's the next step?
All right, now that I've trimmed my base plate, now it's time to sand the pointy edges. It's very easy. Ta-da!
Yay! Okay, so tell us about this step.
Okay, now that the base plates are trimmed, it's time to peel off the back and stick it on the board. The first plate is the most important.
Okay, good luck. All right, so one base plate is down.
Yes, so we add Legos to the second base plate so that once I peel the sticky back off, it will just click into place and be perfect.
Good.
All right, so I bought the Command Strip Velcro, and I'm gonna stick them on the back. They're very strong, so I only need a few pieces. Okay, now it's time to stick it on the wall. Gotta make sure it's straight.
Oh, yeah.
Straight?
Yes, that looks good.
Metal?
Yes.
Oh yeah, it's crooked. Everything's okay, it's straight. But now we have to peel it off and let these stick to the door before kids can play with it. You know, like Lightning McQueen, how he's like, chow, chow.